Hi guys, what time is it? It is 4:32 p.m. and I just got home, and yes, I have not done any form of vlogging all day, but I think I have an idea, so I'm still going to put out a video. What I'm gonna do is this morning I got an email from Ipsy to choose my Ipsy items for my Glam box bag, whatever it name. So I'm gonna show you those, and also today I look nice, don't it's me doing it, my cute don't. Anyhow, also Deezer, which is a streaming app that I use to listen to music when I'm on the road mostly, they notified me today about my music for the year, so I'm gonna share that as well. So I think it's gonna be fun. So let's first I'm gonna share with you the Ipsy things. I really like the thing that they chose for me. So well, one of the things they chose, two things, and then I got to pick three. So I haven't had an Ipsy bag in a couple months. I don't remember when I had the last one. Long time, probably March, before March. I mean, I have none before. I haven't had one since before COVID and lockdown. So it's been at least February then, because I don't remember getting one in March. It would have been before the lockdown. When was lockdown? End of March? Maybe it was March. But I had planned to not get any for the rest of the year because I didn't really have any need to be getting any, because I don't wear a lot of makeup and I had products, so like skincare products, so I didn't really need to get any. So I told myself that I was going to get, initially I'm sitting in the car, but obviously I'm sitting down in the car. As I say, I just reached home, so now it's on the road. This is my mask, if anybody was wondering what is this around my neck. Alright, yes, so I had said that I was going to, initially I had said I was going to do it quarterly, just get one box bag every quarter. Well, I'm getting the second one, so I don't get the little pouch anymore. I used to do that one. I don't get one. I get the second one. So what is that? I don't remember what it name. I'll put the name somewhere here. Anyhow, initially I had said I was going to do it quarterly, and then I changed, I guess with COVID and everything, and yeah, I decided not to get any more. And then I said I kept skipping it every month, so I didn't cancel my subscription. I just went in every month and skipped it. And I told myself that I was gonna get the December one, since December is my birth month. So they chose two items and I got to choose the next three, and I really like one of the choices that they made, so I'm gonna share that. So let's go. I'm gonna go get comfy in my, yeah, I'm gonna get comfy because I did screen record it already, and so I'm gonna just go get comfy and get the recording. So I no need to do that. I should have sit down properly over here, so someone could have put the recording over here. That's what I should have done the whole time I was sitting here talking. All right, so well, I'll just put it in here. I'll just layer the screen recording over the screen, because when we go to talk, then we go probably have to do a voiceover on it anyway. So I'm just gonna, all right, so the screen recording here, top chat, and then after the screen recording, of course, you'll get to see my favorite songs for the year 2020 and my favorite artists as well. So let's go. Alright, so you ready to hear about my #1 songs of 2020? I stand on one side of the screen so that I can put the screenshot over here that I took. Alright, so for starters, as I said, I listen to music on the Deezer app, and it's just a streaming app. I use it to listen to music mostly when I'm in the car because I spend a lot of time in my car. So they said that for 2020 up to now, I guess, I have listened to a total of 2030 songs. Isn't that interesting? All right, then my top songs, for my top songs, #3 is Crush by Usher and Una, or her name pronounced Una. And we know this song, right? I think I got a crush. As I go, I don't know this song. I'm listen to it so often. Yeah. Think I got a little crush on you. I hope it's not too much. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. I love the beat. Yeah, it's a vibe. So in the #2 position is Over You by Elaine, and this one is dedicated to the little Rastaman. Not a little Rastaman, the Rastaman. This one is dedicated to the Rastaman. So it goes, let me see if I can play it in my mind. I'm gonna sing one next Elaine song in my mind. I can't lie, I'll never get over you. I try, but I'll never get over you. So it's a song about, basically the song is about they broke up and she can't get over him, and she has say they should get back together because their relationship is a vibe. And my top 1 song is Round of Applause. My top listening to song in 2020 was Girl Policy by Cranium. No girl me can't stand a drama. Me make me girl beat up on a corner. Every mistress know them policy. After 9 o'clock she can call me. I love that song. I love when there's this other song that him sing that I love too. Him say, and every girl can put them for any girl. And any girl way. Yeah. So basically, him I say him have style, him have class, him don't just walk around and just, you know, have sex with these people because they're women. So I rate that about him. So in this song, he must say him side piece, them have to know themselves. And I love that. I love that. Him not supposed to have no side piece, but it's nice when the man them acknowledge that them have a side piece, but the side piece them have to know themselves. So there's a line in the song that he said, and him say, and some boy I freak some waist girl a road, have them a chase her around, or you are some toad and I walk up with it in a crowd. I love that. Alright, so that was my #1 song for 2020, and according to them, I played it 73 times. Now moving on to my top artists. If you know me personally, you know that my top artist for last year was Alkaline, and I think my top song was an Alkaline song. Let me tell you which one it was. It was no, my top song was not an Alkaline song. It's like it was this other guy, one white guy. I don't remember his name right now. But anyhow, so top artists for 2020. #3 coming out. Alright, coming out #3 was Neo with a playtime of 578 minutes. I love Neo. I've always loved Neo. I loved him for a while. I try to remember the particular song that was playing. So when they were rolling through this, they were playing songs. There's a really nice song that was playing for this. I can't remember, but there's this also, he sings one of the songs on the Aladdin soundtrack, and I love that. I love that song. Mr. Aladdin, sir, what will your pleasure be? Let me take your order, jot it down. You ain't never had a friend like me. I love that song. I love the beats. I just like it. And Yeah. And then my number 2 artist was Alkaline with a total playtime of 659 minutes on. I love Alkaline, that's not a secret. And my number 1 artist for 2020 was Cranium. Well, makes sense because I played his song the most. And yeah, I always like Cranium. I like him for a long time. I know whole time song is a real fan. Yeah. And then they went on to also share top highlights. So they said that I was in the top 1% of Usher super fans. I like Usher. I do like Usher. So I'm tell you what I like. I like Alkaline. I like Cranium. I like Neo. I like Usher. I like my husband Tremaine. I don't know who name Tremaine. I don't know why I'm singing a name, but him name Tremaine because we have a personal relationship like that, so I can call him by his first name. And then the next top highlight was that I heard the song Know You more than 90% of Deezer before. So I heard it before 90% of Deezer listeners. So this song is I don't really know you that well. I really wanna touch you in the face, babe. And maybe no, that's not what I said. Anyways, I can't remember the song right now, but I know the song. I really want to kiss you in the face, babe, and maybe every other place, babe, but I don't really know you that well. Yeah, that song. So apparently I was in the first set of people to listen to that song. I heard it before 90% of Deezer listeners. So that sound like as it dropped my plate. And it's actually a song that I like. And it's actually played twice today while I was in the car. And then it says, based on the music that I listen to, based on my music, my tempo is my animal. It's a based on my music tempo. Based on my music tempo, my animal is the cheetah. Anyway, guys, that is it for this video, and I hope you had fun with it. And I'm gonna take up Vlogmas on my head, and then it is a bit much, but the good thing is that I started a day early, so I always have something. Well, do I always have something? Did I start a day early? Yes, I started a day early, so I have, so for today that while I'm filming this, I have something scheduled for 2 a.m. tomorrow morning, and then this is going to go up the next day at 2 a.m. So I'm trying my best to stay on top of it because I did say I was gonna do it. I was all excited at first, but life happened, and sometimes it's just not feasible or not. I'm not remembering to do things when I'm on the road, and then because I'm using the phone and I'm using the phone for other things, I pay attention to the battery and all of them something there. But I'm trying. I'm proud of myself. I've made it so far. I hope I'll make it for the next 3 weeks, so there will be exciting stuff. I know today, and I think yesterday was kind of lame and boring, but excitement is coming. Don't worry yourself, excitement is coming. Thank you so much for spending this time with me, and until tomorrow, you'll see me in the next one. Bye.